What you need to start a successful home business. In this video, we will discuss what you will need to start a successful home business. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we go any further, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to make money every single week. Starting a home business is a very important decision, and there are some typical home business resources you will need to have in order for you to succeed. Home business resources are assets, services, and systems you will need to make your home business run smoothly. So, to start a successful home business, what resources and steps do you need to take? 1. A clearly laid out business plan. Without a business plan and goals to achieve, you cannot get anywhere. A business plan will map out what you will need to succeed and how you will achieve your goals. 2. Good research. Whatever your business will need, you will need to be well informed about it. So you will need to do some research so that you become an expert on the niche product or service. Knowledge about the business is an important home business resource. So you must do the necessary research to be well informed about the industry, product, or service. 3. A well-set-up office. Your office is another important home business resource. You'll need to be productive while working from home. You'll therefore need an office that has all you will need to run a smooth business. A computer, printer, internet access, fax, telephone, business cards, and a conducive work environment. A suitable desk and appropriate lighting in your office is also an important resource that is often underestimated in its importance. You will sometimes work for many hours in a day, and your workspace needs to be comfortable. Allocate some money towards setting up a working environment you will enjoy working from every day. 4. Some money to cover capital outlay and running costs is an important home business resource which you will need. Any business requires some form of investment, and you will need to know how much you have and how much investments and ongoing marketing your business will need for it to succeed. It is therefore recommended that you start your business while you are still employed so that you'll have some income to live on while you're still building your business. 5. Support system. This can be a mentor, somebody who has succeeded with similar businesses, or simply your family and friends. You'll need to have people close to you who will encourage you and give you any support you need. You can also join a forum of people with the same business like yours. A good support network is a very important home business resource. 6. Business leads and clients are a crucial home business resource. Making and creating contacts and networking is very important. You need to start building your potential client base before you launch your business. Start marketing your business by giving away some products and services. By creating a relationship with your potential customers, you build trust with them, and when you launch your business, it will be easy for them to buy from you. 7. Be professional. The way you run your business and relate to your customers is very important. Be prepared to go the extra mile with your customers. Care about your customers and provide all the information they may need. 8. Hire any professional help you may need. Treat your business professionally, and if you need the services of a lawyer or accountant, hire or outsource it. It is more productive and effective to get experts to do what you cannot do, leaving you time to focus on your business. You will want to do the best for your business, so if there are any home business resources you do not have, outsource them. If you have these home business resources, then your business will succeed. Although your home business may only be a small venture, treat it like a real business and get all the home business resources any business will need in order to be successful. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.